In this video, I'm going to show you how to quantize audio in Studio One. Now to do this, first you want to click on your audio to select it just like this, and then you want to go and click on this Q tool up top, which is called Quantize. So you want to click on that, and then from here you can of course select between grid and groove over here. It's completely up to you, whichever one you want to pick, but of course the settings will differ depending on whichever you select. Then from here you can go ahead and select what you want to work with. I'm actually going to go with this one over here, and then you have the option to go straight. You have triplet, you have quintuplet, or you have septuplet as well. Okay, then here you can go and set your swing as well, and you can use these sliders by simply clicking and dragging to a specific percentage. Okay, you could also click on the percentage and type it in manually, press enter, and that's going to do the same thing. Now over here again you have the start. You can go ahead and click and drag or type it in. You have the end, you have velocity, you have range, you have a lot of different things over here. Okay, so whenever you've set all of these, you can also go ahead and select the program. You have A, B, C, D, E, and of course over here you have different presets if you've set those as well. And then when you're done, you can just go and select over here where it says quantize or quantize on track. Up to you. Just hit the apply button when you're done, and that's going to quantize your audio just like that. Okay, so that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.